Almost every founder I talk to says, I need more leads. I need more leads. And you might be wondering, well, Dan, why are you holding this bucket? Well, here's the truth. More leads is probably not going to solve some of your biggest problem. In fact, more leads may just kill your business. Here's a quick story. I was talking to a friend of mine named Cindy about a client that I know that she was working with. And one of the things that was talked about is they need more leads, but the real problem isn't leads. It's actually something far different than that. See, here's the truth. If there's holes in the bottom of the bucket and the water's leaking, you've got lots of profit leaks in your business, which we see this so many times in the world. Holes in the bucket also means a very unclear ROI with what you're focused on, right? Is that what you want? Probably not. So what do? Well, you got to focus on fixing the bucket, but the problem is most people don't know where to start in their bucket, right? And the whole idea is we want to get to a place where we can patch up the leaks so you avoid missing out on profitability. See, the new way of being able to go about this is to create a system that turns interest in the marketplace into a steady flow of appointments, leads, and clients profitably every single day, right? What ends up happening is the more leads you actually put in the bucket, they're not leaking out, they're patched up. So that means more money for you, and that equals far more profitability. And if that's what you want, it's simple. You put together a simple system in place, the 5-pillar system, to be able to connect with your clients, to be able to get consistent and high quality leads, to get steady conversions, to be able to scale at a much bigger pace without it relying on you. And if that's what you want, the new operating system, if you want the blueprint to be able to do this, and the same blueprint we've been able to introduce to our private clients over the years, then I want to encourage you, like a lot of these different people from all types of different industries, 180 industries in 13 different countries we've been able to work with. If you'd like to get that blueprint, then I want to invite you to learn more about our one-day gathering coming up right around the corner, where we're going to walk through exactly what's working right now with that operating system, that 5-pillar system, to bring you more leads, appointments, and clients profitably. And if that weren't enough, you're going to come together with some of the most brilliant 7- and 8-figure founders that are solving real problems right now, where they'll put their mind on your business to help you solve your biggest problems and challenges. You'll show up as a student, you'll show up as a teacher, you'll walk out with your proven implementation plan to roll into the rest of the quarter and even into next year. So if that's what you want, then it's real simple to learn more. Type invaluable down in the comments below. Once you do that, we'll go ahead and private message you and send you all the details about the upcoming gathering and all the options available, and see if we're a good fit for each other. So type invaluable in the comments below. We'll send you the details and go from there. And here's the thing. I talked about Cindy at the opening. What would it be worth if you could patch up your holes, drive more leads every single day, and increase your profitability without spending any more than you're spending right now to generate leads and sales? How would that change the game for you? And how would it change the game, like some of our clients who've been able to spend and invest the same amount of money in their marketing and advertising and grow 3, 4, 5, 10x, even more? Well, you'll never know unless you know. So type invaluable down below, and we'll look forward to seeing what we can do to get together at our one-day gathering coming up. Bye for now.